Newly offered for sale by O'Donnell Lutz, 2017 Jeep Unlimited Wrangler Chief package. What you're gonna find is this one's built off the Sahara package, so you're gonna get premium leather, LED lights, auxiliary USB hookup, Bluetooth of course, navigation, upgraded alloys, running boards. The Chief package obviously is the two-tone color. The white hardtop with the light blue Chief color. This Jeep is a one-owner Florida Jeep, clean as can be. Has only 14,000 miles on it. Oops, sorry about that. Satellite radio, navigation. You can have your heated seats also. This also has the Alpine stereo. Very clean. Obviously just used for around town driving. With the Chief package, you're gonna get the Chief stick, obviously the two-tone paint, the Chief emblem on both fenders. There's gonna be a Chief plaque on the by the glove compartment box too. You get the 4x4 four-wheel drive sticker in the back. But once again, the big sell is the color combination. Pretty car, pretty hieroglyphics. Still under factory bumper-to-bumper warranty, no accidents. It's offered at a great price, below NADA and Kelly Blue Book. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 321-956-2250. We also offer our Carfax is free of charge at www.o'donnell, O-D-O-N-N-E-L-L. There's going to be a third L and then UTZ.com, o'donnelllutz.com. Thank you. Have a great day.